'Tis the season and happy holidays, everyone. It's ELLE KOS Glam. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I have a treat for you. I'm going to be showing you each and every room that I decorate for the Christmas season. This is my Christmas series for the year, and I'm going to start with my bedroom this year because it's so cozy. It gives a vintage feel, and I wanted some really cozy vibes. I used touches of vintage accessories to accessorize my room as well as neutral textures. So let's get started. Here I want to start with this real cute tray that I got from Pier 1, and the mugs came from Home Goods. I added a flameless candle garnished with a candle ring that's from Home Goods. I like to lay my remote there and put it on top of my throw. I feel like a throw gives a really cozy vibe to the room, as well as different textures and tones. There is my husband's nightstand that is broken. The mover's broken when we moved in. We haven't been in our home a long time at all, but we're trying to get it decorated. I'm going to change the floor out and everything. If you love this ottoman, I can go ahead and link it down below. It's from Amazon, and this really cozy cable knit throw is so cute, and it has pom-poms on the end. I feel like throws change the look of the room as well as give a cozy vibe. Also, these Believe pillows from Walmart, and did you know that is a scarf that's on my chair? Yes, a scarf. I'd like to change up things and think outside the box, and I also use these vintage textures inside my lantern as well as my clock, and I just added a simple candle with a lamp in the back. And here's a night view. Pool in the back because we live in Florida, so I have to make it winter. So here is my tray that I added with my flameless candle because I'll never put a real candle on my bed, and I just wanted to add a real cozy vibe. I just added bits and pieces. Comment below and let me know if you would add a real tree or a fake tree to your bedroom. I may do it next year, but I'm so glad that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Live your dreams and glam your lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and happy holidays.